welcome back to today's show. This is the fourth day of the Deer in Nature. And we got to finish the show up today, no ifs, ands, or buts. We got almost the whole thing done today. The only thing we have left to do today is just the deer, and maybe a little touch up here and there and a little more in other places. But other than that, more likely we're done. Let's go right back to the deer. Now, there's a part of the deer neck. If they could focus in very close on this part, there's a part here that it looks funny, right here. I got it too dark up here, and it makes it looks like he has no neck. So they say you cannot erase watercolors. What am I doing now? See? I'm erasing watercolors. That's how it's so nice. You know, you can't control and you can't do this and you can't make a mistake. And well, see, I just correct a little mistake. Okay. Now the neck comes down, and then this part comes up. Remember I said I used the wrong color last time? And then it comes with a little hump, and then it comes down. Little hump, and then it comes down. There. The other time I didn't have a neck. It's still not perfect, but since I got to get this done now, so I'm gonna rush a little bit. I may not. Okay, this is the lighter end. And anyway, so I'm gonna bring this down. I'm gonna get a little bit more water on here. I'm gonna take my brush, my paintbrush, and I'm just gonna dab a little bit of that dark paint here, because that's gonna be the lighter color. I'll flare that out. See, you use it as a paintbrush, you use it as a paint eraser, because that's going to be a little lighter up there, and it makes it look a little fluffier. Now, I'm going to go back here, and now this part here is a little darker. It comes across his back, and it comes right across his front. Almost in front of that leg. There we go. Actually, it is the leg, between the leg. Okay, then it comes down between the body. Okay, something like that. There we go. Yeah, real quick. Like I said, real quick. Don't worry about the pencil. I'm going to show you something. When this is dry, watch, I'm going to take my pencil. I could do it now. I'm going to take my pencil eraser and watch what it does. It will erase, whoops, this is wet, but once this whole painting is dry, I could actually go back and erase some of that pencil. See? Yeah, so don't worry about it. And then if you do want to use it, keep it up there, that's you could do it too, so. Okay, I do want to shape, I'm gonna go into here. And I'm going to shape this knob right here. This is the back of his neck. A little bit too much paint. See, if you have a little bit too much. The thing is, because I'm just trying to get it done, it's going to come this way. Okay, let's push that this way. There we go. Yeah. This is, and then it's going to come down, and that part is going to be white. Almost white down here. There we go. Yeah. Now I'm going to take this brush here, add a little bit more paint to this one, and I'm going to bring it down this way. There. Now here is a little darker underneath his stomach. This is going to be a little darker here anyway. So I'm going to bring it down. See that? We could make it look like a little bit of hair. Watch, I'm going to take it, if I take a little bit of this dark, don't want to make it too dark, there we go. And then I could just start adding, see, makes it look like there's a little bit of hair coming down that way. There we go, right underneath his stomach. There we go. here is a little lighter, so I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go right up here, and I'm gonna bring this one out. There. There. Let's make it look a little here, coming up right here. There we go. Out. I'm gonna use a little bit dark color. I'm gonna use a little just to highlight that little area. There we go. There goes his bone. I think it's the bone. And I'm gonna come down there. Okay. This part here, I'm gonna come back with a little pencil eraser that they say you cannot erase watercolor. And I'm gonna erase it. See that? No, you can't erase watercolors. Mary, are you paying attention to that? She's my camera person. And she says watercolor's hard sometimes. It's not hard. I will teach you the correct way of doing certain things. And now I'm gonna add some dark coming down this way. Yeah. There we go. And then we'll start with the face in a little bit. There we go. There we go. Don't like that back of leg, but that's what I'm seeing what I see in that picture. So, and I don't like this part up here, so I'm gonna come down with my pencil eraser, watercolor eraser. I'm gonna try to erase a little bit of this here. Yeah. There we go. There. Okay. And that's it. Make it look a little bit hairy up here. That's it. There. Just a little bit of hair. There. Stand up a little bit of hair. There. Down here is a little lighter. There. Now here is a little darker. Let's go. I'm on his tail is right here. And he has a little shadow of the tail right there. There we go. That's his tail right here. Then it turns white. Anyway, so I'm just gonna bring it up. Just like that. I'm gonna take a little bit more dark. Let me use a little bit of burnt sienna and blend that in. Like that. Okay. There. Turn that line down. Okay. Now I'm going to take this little brush here because I have to put in his back leg. I'm going to put a little shadow on the back leg. His back leg is right here. It comes down. That's his front. Okay. That's the leg comes down this way, past his tail, and then it's down. Something like that. Yeah, you don't see too much of it because his hair is going across it too, but that's his leg, his back leg. I'm going to take some of that water off for now. And let's go, I just made it a little too watery. There. Okay. Now I'm going to take the other, because I gotta add some hair to that. Sometimes I got to go backwards because you got to use the light first and then add in the other colors. Now, I don't like the stomach, so I'm just going to add a little. I'm going to take my script liner brush and add a little bit more darker sienna right here and here. A little bit brown to that one. This there, maybe this will make a nice little brownish color. There we go. Then it comes down like so. There we go. That's more like it. I like that one. Like I say, when you're home, you gotta, here I'm still racing against time, so let's do the face. Now the face is almost very light, but you gotta add the horns. There's a little bit here. That's in the light too. I'm gonna take a little bit more of that color. I'm gonna put that eye in right here, that eyebrow type here and there. And come up a little bit. There we go. Okay. First time I got 14 minutes. Okay. I'm gonna make the anglers a little darker than what they have it there. So I'm gonna come across. The only reason I'm making the anglers a little bit darker because it's just gonna show it off a little bit more. That's all. I'm gonna take a little bit, I'm gonna wait for it to dry, and then I'm gonna add a little bit more to it. But it doesn't look too bad. I'm gonna give a little shadow on underneath his neck. This way, it will bring his neck, his face together more. A little shadow. Take a little dark, and I'm gonna put a little more highlight onto the end of the hoop sticking out. This one, and on this one, just give it a little bit more details there, something like that. Okay, the bottom, I have a little bit more shadow underneath it than the top. Same thing with this side. Put a little shadow. Where is the paint? There we go. Yeah. That looks better already. And they have a little hoop talk up on this one. And I have a little talk on this one. Right up on top. Yeah, that's it. Talk on this one and talk up on top. There. Okay. But I still don't like the back, but you know what? It's not that bad for a quick drawing. It's not. But I do want to bring this leg more, and I want to show that back leg more. There, see? The more you work at it, the more you could just make it look a little bit more and more better. There. Now I'm going to take my pencil eraser. Oh, wait, I see another leg right here. There we go. Let's get this one here. The other leg is right here. Yeah. Add a little bit darker brown. That would shape that leg too. Once I put it in a little bit here. There. That's a little bit too dark, that line. I don't like that line being that dark. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just spread it around. Spread around the goodness. There we go. There we go. Yeah. Okay. Let's go down here and just kind of add a little bit more. And let's spread some of the goodness on this one. There we go. Spread the sunshine there. Okay, now I'm going to take the brush and go right back into some of the blues and the greens. Add some of that ground together a little bit. That's a bit too. Don't want it too watery now. Let's see. A little bit more blue. There. A bit of blue. There we go. It's too watery. I want it too watery. There we go. Add some. There we go. There. Let's work on this stone. This one stone, and that's. Then I'm gonna do. Then we're gonna talk. Let's come and get into some of this brown, some of the blue. Here we go. Let's just bring it. Add this little shadow to this. A little bit black. Well, let's take a little bit of black. And right around here, we'll add a little bit of black. There we go. Bring that down. There. push that back. There we go. Just like that, we have a little stone. Take a little bit of blue. Just about run out of time. Running out a little bit of paint, so we're just about on time. The other thing I gotta do is wait for this to dry. Let's just give it a little, okay. Let's get a little bit of red. Let's put a little bit of red here. Let's do, there we go. There. There, a little bit of red, a little bit more. Maybe just a little bit more. There, just add a little bit different color. There we go, look at that, there. That's gonna look nice. Well, that's gonna do. I'm gonna wait for that to dry, and then I'm gonna finish it up. This one brush is clean. I know the deer is not 100% perfect, but like I said, none of my shows, it's just to give you the idea of how you could do it. You know, go get the picture of the deer you want and just give it a try. You know, that's all we're here. Any artist, when they do their painting, they're trying to do something. You know, it took Leonardo 100 and some times to do Mona Lisa's right hand. Was it the right hand or the left hand? 153 times, I think, before he liked it. 153 times to do one hand. So, you know, it was okay. I'm gonna have to let for this to dry now. I got this here. I'm gonna put this here and put this here and. There we go. Well, that is drying. I'm going to take a pen, or my pencil, whatever I see first, probably the pencil. There we go. And then I'm going to do 1 inch up and about 1 inch over, 1 inch up, right around here. And I'm going to sign this one. You see, I'll put down G-O. Okay, and this is TV show. I don't know what number this TV show is. 300 something. I'll finish that up when I get done. 334. Somebody said it was 334. 334. Good. I'm gonna move this out the way. Move this out the way. Got this here. I'm gonna move this out the way. Wait for it to dry for a couple more minutes, seconds. Move this down. Okay. Let's get this up here. Put this down here. Now, the way how I always try to finish a painting, is that you finish the painting by no matter what painting you do, it always looks good with the frame. So over here, just gonna center this almost down where I had it. And let's put this right about here. That's where my marks are. I can see my marks. It was the first one. This one has to come over just a little bit. There we go. Yep, down just a bit. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Nice. I'm going to take this one here. This one goes on top of that one. Just like that. Now you see how it brings the painting together? you know, like I said, it's, when I do these paintings, it's not for me to say this is my masterpiece. This is just a beginning of one I will do better next time. If I like what I like and what I don't like, it shows me where I could do better and what I will have to do better the next time. And like I said, I'm trying to get a painting done in the short time that we do it, is for you to try it at home. And try it. It's fun. It is. This is what it is. It's something that will help you to learn perspective. It gets you to learning how to use different brushes. It gets you to learning how to use the masking tape. There's how to use, you know, tracing paper and the carbon paper. There's a lot that is involved with painting like this. So once again, thank you, and I'll see you next time. Now, here, I'm going to get rid of this. That looks pretty good. I like this one pretty good. Oh, this is not all that bad. Turn this around.